Salesforce helps transportation and logistics companies deliver a complete employee experience at every stage of their journey, from hire to retire. With Marketing Cloud, you can increase conversion rates by using targeted ads to recruit the most qualified candidates. After they've applied, Sales Cloud makes recommendations and prioritizes candidates, letting recruiters see a ranking that compares them to other qualified applicants. Once the candidate is hired, you can use Trailhead to seamlessly onboard drivers with a custom gamified learning platform, guiding them through courses to complete that will keep them skilled, trained, and certified. Drivers have complete visibility into key metrics with real-time dashboards that provide insight into how they're performing compared to other drivers on their team. And with the SupplyForce bot, you only need the driver's cell phone number to connect and provide them with assistance in real time. Then, Tableau helps managers mitigate risk and keep the supply chain stable by selecting the best routes for drivers, so goods are delivered safely and efficiently. From recruiting and onboarding to training and retaining, see how to empower your drivers, keep them safe, and predict attrition with Salesforce.